Hmm?
It's my birthday, but no one came to congratulate me. I'm so lonely and sad. Emily! Goldie, give me my bracelet back right now. Stop taking my stuff. Oh man, the party's ruined. This is the worst day of my life. Don't worry, here's a friendship bracelet. Cut a bracelet base with a unicorn head out of thick foam paper. Apply a layer of Elmer's glue. Sprinkle it with glitter. Decorate it with sequins and mica. Attach Velcro. Make 2 bracelets. Who's here? Hi, it's me, Unicorn. I'm hallucinating. I am not a hallucination. I'm your new friend. Magic bracelets never lie. The selfie turned out really nice. Let's see how many likes it gets. 0. What about now? Still none. May I take a look? Well, boring. Follow me. Shooting. Go. And stop. It worked. Let's take a look. This TikTok is fire! So many likes! Yay! We did it! A victory unicorn dance! And now a pillow fight! This is so much fun! What's going on? My sister is crazy! Emily doesn't know that only the person who has the magical bracelet can see the unicorn. Yay! It's time to eat! What? Where's my lunch? Unicorn, did you eat it? Hang on. Unicorn magic! Polish a Pepsi can with sandpaper. Outline the text with rhinestones and the logo. Then cover the rest of the can. Wow! That's beautiful! I have to try it! Whoa! Goldie, have some! Aw, thanks! Sharing with your friends feels so nice! Am I right, Unicorn? Do you like my outfit? Something is missing. There's nothing I can use here. I know! This star will make a great accessory! Do you like it? This accessory will make you look stunning! Wow! Make a base for a cuff earring out of a wire. Place a wire star on a holographic plastic base. Coat it with gel nail polish. Fill it with sequins. Dry it for 1 minute under a UV lamp. Join the pieces. Wow! This star is so unique! Thank you! A few more textbooks and I can go. Oh no! I can say bye to my backpack! Let me think. Take me instead of the backpack! Oh, wow! A unicorn backpack is a great idea! Cut unicorn parts and a heart out of glitter foam paper. Make a cut. Put in a rainbow tail. Fasten it with a piece of foam paper. Attach it to the front of a backpack. Add unicorn ears and a horn. glue on a mane.
Wow!
This is my class! Give me my textbooks! Thanks! Emily, would you like some tea? Hold on! Move the mug away from the computer! What's this? You took my hair clip again! Hey, it's not what you think! Hey, Goldie, are you okay? You need some rainbows! Unicorn, you sure know how to cheer me up! Hey, what's wrong with you? We need rainbow seeds here! A rainbow rain is normal in unicorn land. But after a rain like this, plants won't be the same. Put the rainbow Skittles harvest in a Ziploc bag. Attach a glitter foam paper cloud. Add a label. I already know this rainbow smell. Have some. Wow! Looks like you are really hungry. Uh-huh. What's Goldie doing? There must be something decent in this pile of clothes. But there's a unicorn here. What do I do? I have absolutely nothing to wear. Should we go shopping? Yes! Goldie bought a lot of good stuff at the mall. And it's all for the unicorn. And now it's time for clothes. I don't have any money left. I'm gonna come up with something right now. Done! Attach colorful chains to a silver chain using jump rings. Fasten 2 chains across the main one. This is for you!
Wow!
Wow! This can make any outfit look fancy! Here's the cereal! I can't reach it! Why is it so high? Somebody, please, help me! Thanks! Oh no! This is hopeless! She can't do it without me! Don't worry! Unicorn magic will help you! Draw a unicorn outline on a fabric mask. Coat it with acrylic paint. Apply Elmer's and sprinkle with rainbow glitter. Blow off the excess. Is this magic? That's so interesting! Wow! Thanks a lot! Magic really works! Oh, cereal! I'm gonna have breakfast! Hey, leave it! It's mine! No, it's mine! Whoops! Now no one can have breakfast! I should handle breakfast instead! Mix it up. Done! It's still hot! Hello? delivery? I have an urgent order. Oh, that was fast. This is for you. Keep the change. Oh, magical gingerbread. Roll out gingerbread dough. Cut out a circle. Bake for 15 minutes at 350 degrees. Decorate the gingerbread with icing. It smells so nice! Is that you? Let's share! Yummy! Delicious! It's like I'm a kid again! Let's go outside! Hang on! Emily is sad. But I can fix it! A magical bracelet! What's going on? Are you a unicorn? Oh yeah! And while the bracelet is on you, you can see me! Emily, what's wrong with you? The unicorn obviously did this! Did you like our video? Then comment below if you'd like to have an unusual friend like this! And don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so you don't miss any hilarious new videos from Troom.